Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the set of 4-in-1 weights for your home gym, for your workout, for your routine, or whatever you want that this brand sent to me for this video. I gotta say that this one is very versatile. This one gives you a really nice and wide range of things that you can do. You can do barbell, you can do dumbbell, you can do bar, you can do squats. And by the way, for squats, this is something that not all of the sets like this one brings and comes with. This one, it is really perfect for right here for doing squats with the weight. This is going to be really good because this is super fluffy and kind of like cushion, but also it's going to give you great support. So with that, this one is also really good to consider that they actually bring this one on set. And this whole thing, it's already set up for you to do like a biceps, chest, you can do back, you can do some squats with your legs, you can do shoulders, you can do triceps, you can do many things with this one that goes from, up to 55 or 75 pounds, depending on how much weight you add for each one of the sets. You can see that you can create a really big dumbbell like this one, or you can create a more conservative one like this one, of course, and you have plenty of this. Like, for example, let's say that you want to do some traps over here. So you have this one, which is going to be, this kettle is going to be really good for you to exercise that part. For example, you can do it for shoulders as well. And it's not only one, it comes with two of this one. So you can create two different ones and just use it for shoulders. You can just put one disc in each one and do some lateral with this ones and creating two of this one. It comes with two of this kettle ones, which you can see here's the other one. So the first thing you gotta do is just put all the weight, pull the one that's gonna screw in right here, and you have two kettles just for this really nice set. And then of course you can have a more conservative dumbbell for doing bicep, for example, for just like doing shoulders, for doing traps. If you want, you can do that as well. So that's going to be really good for you to do like a lightweight workout. I want to say if you're like kind of like watching TV or something like that. Or you can go a little bit more aggressive with a big dumbbell and just making sure that you're pumping up those biceps, or again, those shoulders or those triceps, or just have a flat bench and you can do chest and you can also do back. And transforming this one to the perfect setup is so easy. You just do this ones over here. You can just unscrew the whole thing, just take them out. And for example, this one, I'm going to create a big bar just to be able to do biceps at both times with the same weight, or just doing squats as I was telling you before, putting this one on my neck, on the back of my neck, and just adding weight, adding this over here, just making sure that this one is not gonna get away or just like slip or fall or something like that. And this is all set, which again transformed into the perfect one for doing biceps or shoulders or chest or squats or back or whatever you want. This thing is so awesome, super versatile. It comes with lots of weight, lots of disc, and of course lots of accessories to make of this one the perfect home workout companion. Totally recommend.